strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 11 nautical miles northwest of Fad Buick, or 18 nautical miles north of the Uvela, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be lost in briefly higher winds and subtly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain in the open waters. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Thunderstorms can produce
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.